Good morning, folks. Today I'm at the edge of Glencoe and I've gone up a hill called Beinn. It's the rocky hill, I believe. Now this is meant to be one of the best viewpoints of all of Glencoe because you're looking down into it. So it sits across from Buachaillle and it's got a wee cloudy cap on this morning. It'll spin you round and show you it. There you are, the Buachaillle. What a mountain, eh? Doesn't matter how it is, it's always impressive. There's Buachaillle and one of the three sisters. But what am I doing? I'm doing this. The way I'm going up, if you're walking, the normal route is either from up the end towards the King House, and you can head up over there on the east, or you head up the west end from Aonach Eagach, just where you leave to go up and do Buachaillle. There is another little route, and that's called the Pink Rib, and that's a grade 1 scramble. So today that's what we're going to try. It's just before daybreak and there's a little bit of pink in the sky, so I won't be on the top for sunrise, but it should still be early enough to get some of the colours. So here we go. Look forward to this one. So as I was saying, I'm going to be doing the Pink Rib, and this is it, just come into sight for the first time. So if I stop here, I'll try and get my hand in just to show you. So there is roughly the bottom of it, and you can just see it going up in the angle right up there. So that's the plan, that's the route, and as I said, every so often I'll just be stopping and having a wee look at some of these beauties. That there is Crease. You do that for the Glencoe ski centre. That's down into Glencoe and the Buachaillle Moor. Look at that, the morning colours. Absolutely stunning. So it's stunning. Anyway, I'm not going to get anywhere if I just keep standing admiring the views. So we'll push on. Hopefully get on to the bottom of the rib in about 15-20 minutes. And I'll check back in soon. This is me approaching the turn off from the West Island Way that I've been walking along since I left the van, and this is the route up. So there's no cairn or anything to mark the spot, but you're just following the burn up. So as the burn swings round for down there, we'll follow up from here up to this point, and then we cut off, and that's sugar onto the pink rib up there. So here we go, onwards and upwards. Well folks, that's me. I'm on the pink rib. I'm about, I don't know, just short of halfway up. Today is one of the days I wasn't actually meant to be walking. I was out last night with the camera, and I was hoping to do some Milkyway shots and possibly get the Aurora. There was an Aurora alert last night, but where I was, I came up to try and capture the Aurora across Rannoch Moor, and my intention was then to carry on and get the Milkyway in between Buachaillle Moor, right through the Glencoe pass. But the weatherman told fibs. It was pretty cloudy. I got about possibly an hour, maybe about 2:30 to 3:30, where it had cleared a little. But at that time you're quite unsettled, you've got nothing ready and you're trying to pull things together, so I decided that I would just hang on and maybe try and get a few shots of the Buachaillle sunrise. So when I woke up, and as you've seen in a few of the pictures, the Buachaille's covered in a wee cap of cloud. So I decided to come over and do its neighbour on the other side of the valley, h-Achlaise, and do it via the pink rib. So as I said before, this is a grade 1 scramble, and it's a pink granite rib that runs right up the front of it. It's lovely. You gain height very fast, and what I'll do is I'll spin you about and give you the views that I've got from down Loch Ba and then back round over the King's House and Rannoch Moor. It really is beautiful. So what we'll do, we'll get the camera and give you a spin round and give you a look. It's not just the views of Glencoe, it's stunning, everything. So there we have it, Rannoch Moor. How's that? The morning rays just coming down. So you come round the expanse of Rannoch Moor, King's House, over onto the Glencoe ski centre, and there we have Crease, and down through Glencoe and onto the Buachaillle. We continue round to the Buachaillle. You've got Buachaillle Beg, the wee Buachaillle, So, Big Buachaillle, Wee Buachaillle, both got a cap on. And then that's you down into the Three Sisters of Glencoe, right through the glen itself. Absolutely stunning. So, this close, that's the Pink Rib, that's what I've done so far, the road down there. You can just see the West Highland Way snaking along. And here we go, right up here. And there we have it. That's the Pink Rib in the bag now, and it's now a steady walk up onto the top of Aonach. I can keep on turning around and just admiring these views. They never cease to amaze me. Absolutely beautiful. What a place, Glencoe. It never disappoints. Never. I came over the crest of the hill after the top of the Pink Rib when I finished the Scramble, and as I looked up to the top of Aonach, I could see the same wee cloudy cap that the Big Buachaillle has on it. So I thought about just turning along west and heading down the ridge, but realistically there's only about another 170 metres to the top, so I thought, oh, why not, I'll just do it. It'd be silly not to. So that's me. But the views will spin you around, they're not very impressive anymore. We've lost all the views. But I think we've weathered well with what we've got this morning. It's been absolutely stunning. I'll check in just at the top, and then we'll see if it's worthwhile doing anything after that, but I'll push on. Well folks, that's me approaching the summit of Aonach, and it's been great. It really has. Obviously it'd have been nice on top of the cake if I'd got it without the cloud, but hey ho, you can't have your cake and eat it. But this comes awful close. So there we are, the summit cairn, just there. But unfortunately I'll not be wasting any time. It'll just be a little top out on the trig point there, and I'll head back down. So what I'll do, just to be safe, I'll touch both, just to make sure that I've done it. And there we go, number one. And we'll make our way over to the trig point. And there we go. So, as I said, that's me topped out, and I just took a little seat before I head back down. What I have noticed is there's 3 or 4 folk camping just off the summit there. Fortunately they're up and about, or I would have woke them up with my dulcet tones. But anyway, I'm going to head down and see if I can pick up a few views on the way down. So, well folks, I've decided to finish the video in the van this morning. It was an early start. The weather was pretty kind to me. It was mild, but as the higher I got, finishing the pink ribbon and looking up onto the summit, you could see the cloud had dropped. But it was nice to top out, and then I dropped down, managed to get a few photos on the way down. But what a lovely hill. Not a Monroe, it's a Corbett. Sits at 857 metres. I actually meant to mention that up at the top. But really stunning. I thoroughly enjoyed it. The views today were atmospheric. On a clear day they must be absolutely superb. But anyway, thanks for joining me, and until the next time, bye.